COSORI TurboBlaze stuck on preheat? Here's the real reason. If your COSORI TurboBlaze display is stuck showing preheat and won't move forward, even after a few minutes, it's likely a sensor misread or basket seating issue. Here's what to check. Step 1. Fully insert the basket. The fryer won't complete preheat or move to cooking unless the basket is inserted all the way. Pull it out and slide it back in slowly until it clicks. A soft misalignment can block the sensor from detecting it. Step 2. Restart the mode completely. Tap Cancel, then select Air Fry again. Set your temperature, then press Start. If the display still freezes on preheat, unplug the unit and move to the next step. Step 3. Unplug the unit for 5 to 10 minutes. Sensor glitches can stick after a long session or accidental interruption. Fully unplug the air fryer and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. This clears most memory-based preheat freezes. Step 4. Wipe the interior sensor contact points. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe around the inside walls and edges where the basket slides in. Grease buildup near the sensor can block detection. I use a narrow cloth wand that fits into those tracks. I've linked it below. Step 5. Avoid triggering modes with no basket. Don't start preheat with the basket out. That can confuse the detection system and cause the screen to freeze mid-process. If this helped you clear the preheat glitch and get cooking again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a safe cloth wand to clean the basket tracks and sensor area, I've linked the one I use below. Soft, slim, and designed for appliance edges. Thanks for watching, and keep it cooking.